At 12 o'clock Iran time, which is about an hour ago, they announced that they have actually halted producing enriched uranium, which is up to 20% of enrichment, the density, in two of their nuclear centers, the Natanz and the Fordow nuclear sites in Iran. That means they literally switch off the procedure of enriching more uranium in those two reactors. They have also promised, the Iranian government has also promised to reconvert the uranium that has already been enriched in the past few years in Iran up to 20%, which is the dangerous level. Right now, their stockpiles are up to 416 kilograms, and they have promised to turn half of that into powder, oxidize another amount of that, turn some of that into yellow cake, or just dissolve it into less density, down to about 9% rather than 20%.
And how is this going to be monitored, and is this reversible?
The IAEA nuclear watchdogs and inspectors are already in Iran. They've been there for a couple of days, and from today they are going to the nuclear facilities to oversee that process is happening, the one that I just mentioned to you. Iran has already threatened that if we see that the West is not sending us the money that they have promised, which is Iran's blocked $6 or $4 billion, if they don't send that back to Iran in installments, and if they don't reverse the embargoes that have been put in power in the past few years with the same speed as Iran is stopping the enrichment, then they can reverse some of it to some extent. Now, out of this 416 kilograms, as I told you, some of it will be turned into powder, some of it will be turned into lower density. That bit will be reversible, but the part that is oxidized and turned into yellow cake might not be that easily turned into 20% density.